Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and be a part of us. So in this video, I'll be showing you one of the ways I maintain my knotless braids. And one of these ways is to wash it. Washing your knotless braid is very essential. Even though this style is a protective style, like I always say, your hair is never protected if you don't keep your hair moisturized. So in simple terms, you have to help your protective style protect your hair by keeping it moisturized all the time. You can be spraying warm water and then putting in some leave-in conditioners and then hair butters and hair oils. But if you don't wash it, your pores will end up clogging up, and you end because due to product buildup. So I find it very important or very essential to wash your knotless braids or wash your hair whilst it is still in a protective style, whatever protective style it is, whether cornrows, braids, whether with this kind of braids, any type of braids. I think you should, mini twist, whatever style your hair is in, I think you should actually wash it, give your scalp a good cleanse, and then reapply all the products you use. Yes, I think it is very important and very essential. If you have watched to this point, I'd like you to please subscribe to my channel, help my channel grow. My channel's main purpose is to help young ladies out there, especially Ghanaian ladies, because one thing I've realized is that we don't normally speak about hair care in our country, and then we walk about in the country and we see a lot of young beautiful ladies with very unhealthy hair. So please subscribe to my channel if this is something you are interested in. And yes, I would like to thank all 21 subscribers for trusting me with their hair care. You have no idea, I'm very grateful. Very grateful for your trust and all the likes. The channel has been going very well. Yes, so like I was saying, please wash your hair whilst it is in braids. It helps you keep your new growth moisturized, if you get me. So whilst the new hair is coming out, whilst you wash it, you are able to keep it moisturized to avoid breakage and all of that. Yes, so in my next video, I will be showing you how to wash cornrows. Yes, to wash your hair in cornrows. It's not anything different from what you are seeing in here, but at the time I was recording this video, I did not have a hair steamer, so instead of using a hair steamer, I just put on some plastic caps over my hair so that my body heat whilst I move around will cause heat and then help my conditioner penetrate into the strands in my scalp. Yes, so if this is something that you have genuine interest in, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget that I have also stated in one of my videos that in a few months or weeks to come, I'll start reviewing Ghanaian natural hair care products. So please stick around for that so that we can be able to take a very good care of our hair. So I'm coming to the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here, and I would like to see you in the next one. See you. Bye bye.